It's all right, Lizzie. It's all right. Shh. It's okay. It's all right. I'm here now. You're safe now. You're safe. I intend to be sure you stay that way.
One cap to go.
What a guy. Thanks, Al.
Oh, you should talk. After what you did for my boy. Oh, that reminds me. Those building blocks you gave him for Christmas, took to him like a duck to water. I think we get a future architect on our hands.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I'll have to stop by, give him a few pointers.
Oh, anytime. The wife would love it.
All right, then we'll make it soon.
Oh, great.
Mr. Keller?
Yeah.
Royce?
Oh, Mr. Markham, what are you doing here?
As the world turns,